How to form or create an LLC in Alaska. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easily and fast. So first thing you want to do guys is go to this website. It's called corpnet.com/form LLC. Now it will take you then to this page. As you can see, scroll down until you find right here those states. As you can see, now right here you will find many states. Choose Alaska like this. It will take you into this page, and then make sure it's LLC and not any other option because you want LLC. So choose LLC, Alaska, get started. Now it will take you into this page. Now what you want to do is very simple. Just choose the plan that you want. For example, if you want this one, basic, or I recommend you do the complete. So after that, click continue, and it will take you to this page to pay and also to fill the informations right here. It's very easy, as you can see. That's it, and after a few days or weeks, you will receive your LLC. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget like, as I said, and subscribe, because really I am trying to make short videos with helpful answers. Don't forget that.